Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. I just want to get to it. Today's video we're going to be talking about how to not feel depressed this season, because every time it becomes winter time, it's always so depressing. The sun's literally setting by 5 p.m. and I just want to go to sleep, and I have so much work to do, but I just want to go to sleep. So dealing with that, we're going to be talking about that. Now, right now in Canada, it is pretty sunny. So I'm not complaining. I think the sun actually helps a lot with happiness, my happiness specifically. But when the sun is not shining as much anymore and it's a cloudy day, then honestly it's very difficult to get out of bed and feel like I'm walking with purpose. So that is why I feel like, number one, routines are very important. Even if it's gloomy or whatever, follow your routine. But also follow your feelings. If you feel like I need to wake up a little bit later today just so I can get my energy up again, or I need to drink so and so to help me get up and get going, then do it. Listen to your body, but also follow a routine so you don't feel like you're stuck and you feel demotivated and you don't know what you're doing. You're just laying around doing absolutely nothing. So that is number one, get a routine. Number two, like I just said, is to follow how you're feeling, listen to your body, listen to yourself. And lastly is to have plans, whether that be grinding for something, if you want to start taking working out more seriously, if you want to work on a certain hobby and complete it by the year end, fix up the environment that you're in, get yourself ready for the next year so that you're starting off on a good foot. You can do that. I feel like what I like to do every night is I just reflect a little bit, I'll journal, and then I'll set myself new goals that I'll start working on right now instead of waiting until next year to work on, because that means that I'll actually get myself started better, and by the time New Year's comes, I'll already be in the flow. Because I know I'm going on vacation, and I know a lot of people tend to go on vacation as well during winter break season, and let yourself have that break, but getting yourself a little bit prepped before you have the break is very, very, very important and very good. But you just want to be able to take breaks where you can, but also get yourself just ready. So those are the main things I wanted to talk about, so that you feel like you're less lazy. Another thing I wanted to mention is also just romanticizing your routine too. If you want to enjoy certain things that are specific to wintertime, grabbing a hot cup of hot chocolate, or making yourself something, I don't know, what I like to do sometimes is just do movie nights and make myself brownies and ice cream and have a nice hot drink and just watch a movie, whether Christmas movies or anything, just to feel the vibe and make it more fun for yourself. Do that. Literally do that, okay? Don't spread yourself too thin, but I want you to be able to balance yourself. Do things that are fun, but do things that will also progress you, okay? Romanticize your life. Do things that I know that the last season is usually very much grind, and go ahead and grind. That's totally fine. You should be working towards something so that you're prepped for yourself, but you should also be enjoying your time as well. Spend time with friends and family. Call them when you can. And I know that it just gets very lonely, especially when you're staying at home all the time because it's getting colder outside. So make sure you can do things inside too. Learn to love your own company, your own presence, spending time with those who mean a lot to you, calling them, whether it also be reading books or journaling or doing something like that will help you feel like you're not stuck or literally, I don't know, withering away during hibernation season. Do it. Literally just do it, okay? And that's all I wanted to talk about in this little mini video, how to get out of the depression season. So let's not struggle this season. If you feel like you're struggling, you can always reach out to a friend. Just type below here, I can literally chat with you or whatever. And I just want everyone to be able to just get themselves going, work towards something, wake up on the same time every day, but listen to your body as well, and just live your life. Don't let a season stop you from enjoying and living your life, okay? Let's hopefully get through this depression season, and we will make the most of it. and get ready for the New Year's, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video is part of my Born Pretty series, by the way, which basically talks about living the best life that you can. And being pretty doesn't mean that you are physically pretty, but you're also pretty in all other aspects of your life, especially within. And that you are born pretty, which means that you were born this way. You just have to find yourself again. Okay, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you'd like to see more videos, and hit that subscribe button, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next one then. Goodbye, guys.